Hi, this is Emmanuel. Tired of trying budgets that never stick? Learn a proven method to create a realistic, flexible budget for your family, even if you are living paycheck to paycheck. Most budgets fail because they are too rigid, unrealistic, or ignored over time. Many people create overly strict budgets that cut out all the fun or underestimate actual expenses, leading to frustration and burnout. When life doesn't go as planned, like an unexpected car repair or a medical bill, it's easy to give up entirely if the budget doesn't allow flexibility. A successful budget needs to reflect real habits and allows for some wiggle room. Another reason budgets fail is lack of follow-through and tracking. Writing a budget is only the first step. Sticking to it requires continuous monitoring and adjusting. If you don't regularly check your spending or update your plan when circumstances change, like a job shift or new expenses, your budget quickly becomes outdated. Without clear goals or motivation, it's easy to ignore the budget altogether. The key is to keep it simple, realistic, and part of a regular routine, like reviewing it weekly or monthly. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple budgeting method that helps you manage your money by dividing your after-tax income into three main categories: needs, wants, and savings of debt prepayments. It is designed to keep your spending balanced while ensuring your savings for the future. This rule is especially helpful for families or individuals who want clear, easy to follow financial plan without complicating things. The first 50% of your income should go to your needs. These are essential expenses you must pay to live and work. These include housing, rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, insurance, minimum loan repayments, basic childcare. If needs take up more than 50%, that's a sign you may need to adjust your housing, bills, and other expenses where possible. The next 30% is for wants, which are not essential but enhance your lifestyle. This might include dining out, streaming services, vacations, hobbies, and extra clothing and tech. Finally, remaining 20% should go towards savings and debt repayment. This includes building an emergency fund, contributing to your RRSP or TFSA. There are several great budgeting tools and apps in Canada that can make managing money easier and more organized. One of the most popular is Mint, a free app that connects to your bank account and automatically tracks your spending. It categorizes your expenses like groceries, bills, entertainment, so you can see where your money is going without manual entry. It's simple to use and ideal for beginners. For a more hands-on, goal-driven approach, you need a budget. YNAB is a top choice. It helps you assign every dollar a job, whether it's for rent, savings, or next month's groceries, and encourages intentional spending. It's especially good for families working to pay off debt or save aggressively, though it does come with a small amount of monthly fee. If you prefer Canadian-specific options, Koho and Head Bacon are worth checking out. Building a budget for a family of 4 starts with knowing your monthly income. Add up all sources of income after taxes. This includes salaries, child benefits like the Canada Child Benefits, and any side income. This total is your starting point. From there, list your fixed expenses like rent or mortgage, utilities, insurance, car payments, and child care. These are predictable and usually don't change month to month. Then list your variable expenses such as groceries, gas, entertainment, clothing, and personal care. These can fluctuate, so use monthly spending to estimate. If you are spending more than you earn, you'll need to cut back on non-essential categories or find ways to increase your income. And review your budget monthly as a family. Involve your kids with age-appropriate money talks to build healthy habits early. A clear, realistic budget reduces stress and helps your family feel more in control. As your income or your expenses change, adjust your budget to keep it relevant and supportive to your family's goal.